How to disable camera and microphone access on Windows 11. You can disable it for all apps or you can do it on a particular app, and it is very easy to do so. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And once you're here, we will go to privacy and security. And then under privacy and security, we will scroll down and we will go with the camera first. The moment we click on camera, either you can disable it for all apps or you can simply disable for unwanted apps. So let's say if you want the app for other apps, you can do it, and you can also turn off for all apps. Once you're done, go back to the privacy and security and then come to microphone, and the same thing go with this as well. So you can see I have enabled the microphone access. However, I have disabled microphone for fewer apps. So I want it for my browser, right? So I haven't disabled it. So this is how you can enable camera or microphone or disable camera or microphone in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.